Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Khyndai University, Meghalaya.
Uway Rangbah ubam ko aban penpau kerteng yaladi ula pentep syaka opes trekam ka Batesi TV ba ula yo tam ya ka way kebek ka bared kat ba udang ya lenti ha Khyndai lad ha ka laipo terek ujelio arja penrio. Uni orang ba ula pentep ba ha kani kebek idon ki electric bill ka Pisa bat ka way ka ATM card jong ikong mar ba koridor kharmujai. Uni orang ba ula kerpat ya ki terai bakin phone ha u number Henriu Khyndai not Khyndai not. Pra Henriu sao Henriu na kabenta ban shimti ya kani kebek.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.